Hello everyone, welcome to today's video of wealth manifestation. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale through your mouth. With each breath, release tension. Feel yourself becoming calm, present, and ready to connect with the wealth that is already part of you. Again, inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale through your mouth, letting go of all fear, doubt, and scarcity. Inhale abundance. Again, inhale abundance. Exhale anything that weighs you down. Again, inhale and then exhale anything that weighs you down. With every breath, you make space for wealth, opportunity, and prosperity to flow in. Now, in your mind, set a clear intention. What exact financial goal do you desire? It might be an amount of money, a lifestyle, financial freedom, or success in your work. Visualize it clearly as if it's already happening. Feel the joy, relief, and excitement as you hold that vision. Again, inhale. Take a deep breath in and then exhale. Imagine a golden stream of light approaching you. It is the energy of wealth. See it entering your body, at your chest, flowing through every cell, forming you, uplifting you. See your bank account growing. Hear the sound of numbers increasing. See opportunities flowing to you. Unexpected checks, clients, deals, insights. Feel the emotion of already having your ideal wealth. Feel gratitude for every financial blessing, large and small. Keep on imagining your bank account growing. Hear the sound of numbers increasing. See opportunities flowing to you. Unexpected checks, clients, deals, insights. Feel the emotion of already having your ideal wealth. Feel gratitude for every financial blessing, large and small. Take a deep breath in and then exhale. Now, feel I am a magnet for money and prosperity. Wealth flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of financial abundance. I deserve to live in freedom and comfort. Opportunities to earn come to me from expected and unexpected sources. I make wise decisions that support my prosperity. My income increases consistently. Every day I attract more wealth, prosperity, and joy. Opportunities to earn come to me from expected and unexpected sources. I'm making wise decisions. My income is increasing consistently. I'm making more and more money. Every day I attract more wealth, prosperity, and joy. You are a magnet for money and prosperity. Now, think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. Perhaps money you already have, skills you possess, people who help you, and say silently, I am grateful for. Feel it by yourself what you are grateful for and visualize each one. I'm giving you time to visualize 3 things. Keep on visualizing the thing number 1 that you are grateful for. Now, visualize thing number 2 you are grateful for. Now, visualize thing number 3 you are grateful for. Gratitude elevates your vibration and opens the path for abundance to enter your life. Your subconscious mind listens and responds to energy and repetition. As I say these phrases, absorb them deeply. I release limiting beliefs about money. I am worthy of success in financial freedom. I always find new ways to increase my income. I trust my skills, my path, and the flow of abundance. My world supports my highest good and the good of others. Repeat these silently after me, feeling strength and certainty as you do. I release limiting beliefs about money. I am worthy of success and financial freedom. I always find new ways to increase my income. I trust my skills, my path, and the flow of abundance. My wealth supports my highest good and the good of others. Now, see your future self, the person you are becoming. Notice how they walk, how they think, how they feel about money. See them celebrating success, receiving good news, enjoying abundance. Let that future self step into this moment with you. Feel alignment, confidence, and certainty. Now you have imagined the person you are becoming. You have noticed how they walk, how they think, how they feel about money. You have seen success. You are receiving good news, and you are enjoying abundance. And you are stepping into this future self. Now, take a deep breath and slowly bring awareness back to the room. Carry this feeling of abundance with you as you move forward. Know that you are aligned with your financial goals and that the universe is working with you. Open your eyes when you feel ready and step into your abundant life.